In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open bank accounts and add a credit card with a direct feed in your accounting software. To get started, head to the accounting menu and open bank accounts. This is the area where you manage the financial accounts connected to your business records, including bank accounts and credit cards. If you're setting up a new card for transaction tracking, this is the right place to do it. Once you're on the bank accounts page, click Add Bank Account. This begins the setup process for a new account connection. If this is your first time doing this, take a moment to make sure you're adding the correct account type, since that helps keep your financial data organized and reporting accurate from the start. Next, search for your card issuer in the available list. As you type, the system should narrow down the options so you can find the right provider more quickly. After you locate the issuer, select your credit card type. This step is important because choosing the correct institution and account type helps the software connect properly and import transactions into the right place. When entering your card details, be careful and review everything before moving on. Even a small typo can cause connection issues or prevent the direct feed from working correctly. If your software prompts you for account verification or additional authorization, simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The exact screens may vary a little depending on the card issuer, but the overall process remains the same. After that, save the account and complete the direct feed setup. A direct feed allows your credit card transactions to flow automatically into the accounting system, which can save time and reduce manual entry. Once the connection is active, transactions will usually begin appearing automatically, although in some cases there may be a short delay before the first data sync is completed. Before you finish, it's a good idea to confirm that the newly added credit card appears in your bank accounts list. That quick check helps ensure the account was created successfully and that the feed setup has gone through as expected. And that's it. By opening bank accounts, adding a new bank account, selecting your credit card issuer and card type, and then saving the details to set up the direct feed, you can connect your credit card for easier and more efficient transaction management in your accounting software.